love it. This probably has to be one of the most fun planners I've played with, and I want to show you a quick flip through. Okay, now to begin with, we are just going to enjoy the lovely designs that Mommy Lay put in front. I just added a couple of clips that I had that I've been gathering. I don't remember where I got these from, so I'm pretty sure you could just Google them. You could find any type of clip, simple. I didn't want to distract, like I said, I didn't want to distract the image. So cute. So this is the front, and this is what the back of it looks like. Such bright colors. I really love this planner, and the quality of this leather, I have to say, it's been the best one so far. They're just getting better and better. So thank you, Lay. I really love this one. Okay, let's go on in. Now, the first thing that you're going to see is a checklist, which is a freebie that I got from Lay off of her Facebook group. So join the group. You ain't gonna ever want to miss the freebies that she sits in there, because she's amazing. So what she did basically wrote this out, a cute little checklist. I really liked it, and I want to make sure it was as soon as I open my planner. Just a little reminder of the awesome things that we all need to be reminded of. So she added in her checklist, it says, wake up, be grateful, tell yourself how much you are loved, remember this, what you think you become, and lastly, wear that smile all day. I love it, Lay. Thank you so much. Okay, so in my pocket, I just printed out this cute little planner, which, yes, it was another freebie. Added this cute little doyle, just kind of to help me slipping it in and slip it out of the pocket, because it's just too cute. You gotta check it out. And in here is one of my favorite inventions. This is part of the digital kit that Mommy Lay offers on her website. It's called Blossom Wonders, or Wonder Blossoms, and you're gonna want to try it out and download it. Cute images. I basically printed this out on vellum, laminated, and created a cute little pocket. So these are just extra die cuts that I printed out, and I wanted to save just in case I want to include it somewhere else. Okay, that's all I have in this pocket. Now, as we're going in, this is my daily section. This is the laminating pouches that she includes in her kit, and this is one of the dashboards that I created. I have already posted that on my Instagram feed, and this is the first section. This is the insert, the daily insert that she includes in her kit. So you can print this out and just place it in your planner. So this is my first couple of days that I have filled out already. Now, this is also included in the kit. This is a bookmark. Now, I really enjoyed these bookmarks. I did not want to laminate them, but because for some reason, every time I laminate something, it's just really slippery. So what I did is I came up with a quick idea. I'm going to turn this around, and what I did was I added foam sheets, just glued it to the back, and believe it or not, it stops it from sliding out or sliding around. So if I want to place it here or here, just close it up and it stays. So it's just a cute little tip or trick that you guys might want to try out if you don't want to do anything with your laminate or your bookmarks. If you don't want to laminate them, just throw them some foam sheets in the back and tape it on, and it's perfect. So we're going to continue, and these here are cute little bows. This is part of the digital kit as well. That's included in your kit. I just printed them up and I cut them out, taped them, or glued them. I believe I glued them. I did glue them to all the pages. So these are my daily sheets. And towards the end, that's the back of the insert. Here's another dashboard that I created, printed these cute little images out. I like the black and white color, just added in one of her background cardstocks, and I was happy with that. Okay, here's another. This is now we're entering my weekly section. A cute little dolly girl. This is a die cut that I added some glue dots and just cut out some pieces of paper. This is also part of her digital image, guys. These are included in her kit, so you guys don't want to miss out. Entering my weekly section, this here is a pocket. So whenever I'm not using the bookmarks, I just basically paste them in the pockets. I haven't really been working on my weekly section. I started it, but I got really busy with the dailies, so I kind of ignored it. Sorry guys. Okay, so here's the end of my weekly section. Here is another dashboard that I created. I basically cut this out off of one of the sheets that it's included. I kind of wanted to give it a little pop, so all I did was just put a little foam tape in there, added some foam tape to the back of these as well, glued that together, and it just kind of gives it a cute little pop there. Alright, here's the end of that dashboard there, added a little dolly, and this is my trifold insert that I created for all my stickers, so that's currently working out for me. I really love this. I will make sure I leave a link to the video on how I made these. Alright, and now we're going on to my monthly section. I printed up another freebie. This says, "Hey August, hey, I love Lay." that just sounded awful. Sorry guys. What this is here is just actually oh gosh, what is this called? It's a tape. I forgot where I got this from. I just basically cut this out using my Photoshop and my scan and cut and taped it. So that's what it is. It's more like a sticker, so it's like a hello sticker. I really like how that turned out. Alright, oh, here's a little paper clip that I also used some foam sheet backing on here and just glued that together. This is a clear die cut, and I'm just using it to decorate it, put it in my pocket for now. Now this is my monthly section. I really enjoy making my monthly calendars. You know, I think it's basically because I tend to personalize them more than anything, and I love that Lay includes these inserts blank. So this is the dotted grid. You're able to make awesome boxes and decorate your month as you please. So I just basically put some washi tape on here that I had and used all her awesome stickers that she includes in her kits, and just cut out some tabs there and wrote out the month August. So August is all filled out, and here's September. So I can't wait to continue filling this out, and then so on and so forth. I got October, still have to work on October and the rest of the months. But right now I am enjoying these awesome months here. Alright, so we are on, oh, this is another bookmark. I took this one off and I did the same thing. I added that foam sheet to the back. Now, let's see, this is the end. This is just another dolly with this cute little die cut. Added some cute little dots there. And this is another image. This is a vellum sheet. And this is my list section. My list section is another personalized section that I'm really proud of too. This again is a digital image that she includes in her kits. I just added numbers on Photoshop and made it my own. This is actually 2 images combined in one, and because the stripes kind of went well with the numbers, I figured, why not? Let's make that the list, and it works out perfect. Alright, let's see, that's the end. Here's another awesome image that she includes, cupcakes and muffins, I can't talk, that believes in unicorns. We all believe in unicorns, don't we? And that's it, that's the last. Here's where I keep my sticky notes, this cute little paper clip that she includes as well. And here's another cute little die that I created from her images, and I laminated. I'm using my dies in there. I have my little pieces in there. Cute, cute. And that's it, guys. And I did put in my pen gem pens, which I'm really enjoying right now. But obviously you guys can use the pens that she includes. She includes so much in the kits, guys. You don't ever want to miss out. You have more than enough to last you a month, a week, and however long you wish to use these. These are awesome planners. Thank you so much, Mommy Lay. I'm really enjoying July's kit. And thanks to all who stopped by today. Hope you enjoyed my little video, and take care. Happy crafting, guys. Bye.